All right. So there's some stuff that I want to try to add because some of the stuff like that I encountered today that could be like optimized or whatever, I want to add it today. Um really it was a chill day at work today, but I just saw some things that needed to be fixed with the app. Namely, like for example, like I was thinking about this as I add more people onto here. Um, it would probably help if I had who created which daily entry so that when someone is logged into their account, it's filtered by like the documents that they see are filtered so that only they see their documents or they only see their daily entries. So that's one thing. And then also, um, like which thermoforming line a note is associated with, or if it's associated with a line at all. Like it may be like a general observation or something. Like for example, like I have F1 through 4, but I may make like a general observation that could help optimize operate like processes as a whole. So that's another thing. And then also the ability to add images and videos. Um, because I had another like yesterday I was fixing an issue and I fixed it for the most part, but today I had came in and I fixed it even more so that like it like wasn't messing up like at all. So I want to log with image and video exactly which settings, which valves I may have m- touched or moved or something like that. So being able to add image and videos is pretty important. Um, Also, I'll be logging this, like the video port or what I fixed each each problem that I've faced on YouTube. Not this channel, but on another channel because like I don't think that anybody that subscribes to this channel is really interested in like manufacturing thermoforming things. So I'll keep those separate, but I'll still be logging um what I'm dealing with like from the day-to-day operations and how I'm finding solutions. Um yeah, also like the changeovers that I'm doing and stuff like that. I'm going to be logging that on another channel. What's up, Johnny? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? I was about to get the stream started, but you doing all right? You doing all right? Uh, I'm about to start. Also, the reason why I didn't go live yesterday is because I was like figuring some more stuff out, uploading a video on the other channel, but also I'm now a Google AI Pro subscriber. My first AI subscription that I've been that I'll have been a part of so far. Um, it's pretty cool. It's really not that much different. It's like really at all. I, I kind of don't need it right now. Like it's more seeing what it's about rather than like a game changer like feature for me. Really the game changing feature is GitHub Copilot. That's really the game changing feature for me. Um, the only other thing that I would be interested in now is a Final Cut Pro, that subscription, so that I'll be able to like actually be satisfied with the videos that I come out with, because I don't want to just make any old video. So, and I don't think Instagram edits is helping, or CapCut would be the solution. So I think Final Cut Pro may be the solution. So yeah, GitHub and Final Cut Pro. Everything else, I can really code it and then just have like AI handle the rest. Like my code, or not AI, have Firebase storage, or like the Firebase bill be like my like AI billing basically. So yeah, doing great. But hey, that's good. That's good. It looked good so far. What you put in the Discord. I'm proud. I'm proud. I'm proud. If me being proud means anything, but yeah, I'm proud of you. And there's so much more to go. So never stop iterating. And also, like, if you build an app, which I'm learning right now, use it. And it was kind of weird using this today and being like the first app that I use like on a daily basis, and seeing what can change and why I don't want to use it and why I do want to use it, like being an actual user of it and seeing what can be improved. It's such a weird experience to have, like, to make something and be the one to iterate upon it. Like, oh, it looked bad. Was it like a CSS thing, or like the image itself was just bad? But yeah, that's really my takeaway from today at work is like, it's one thing to code an app and just like put it out and be like, I made this. It's another thing to be the one that to have done all that, but also be the one that's using it, because you get a different experience of like how other people are seeing it. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. Uh, this is what actually, I'll log out of this. Uh, that's kind of what it looks like, but on mobile it kind of looks a little bit weird. Um, Actually, I'll go ahead and sign in and see what it looks like. What just happened? Oh, anyways, this is what it looks like on mobile. But hey, how you doing? How you doing, Ever? That's good. Wait, OpenAI or ChatGPT wasn't working fully. I streamed kind of late, and this CSS looks kind of weird. Um, I was just explaining, like, it was my first day of using the app like in public and in the wild, so it was a little bit different. But uh, like I've never used an app that I coded on a daily basis, and seeing what can be improved was a different experience. But I'm using today to add a few things that I want to change around or optimize. Like, for example, like adding images and videos of what I'm doing. Facts. Yes. That's one thing that I saw. It was like, oh, this kind of looks ugly. Um, but adding images and videos of like things that I'm fixing, or things that could be repaired, or anything like that. And then which line each note could be pertaining to. Like, for example, like I have 4 different thermoforming lines that I'm working on, but some of my notes may not be pertaining to any line in particular. Like they could be just general purpose notes, for example, stuff like that. And then also, I was thinking about as I expand not only me using the app, but other people using the app, like having it in the Firestore document, who made that daily entry so that it can be filtered by the auth or whatever. So, like, for example, um, the daily entries that I make, I can only see mine and the same with everybody else. And it's being filtered by like their ID basically. So, yeah. Every entry needs to be yeah. And I don't have that yet. Unfortunately, I don't have that yet. Uh, Not really. Um, I don't think people are supposed to be able to type in there. Wait, wait. Uh, I think I can. Oh, wait, hold up. Let me try to fix that. Hold up. Hold up. Mm, no, there we go. Try it now. Oh, whoa. Try it now. Nothing? Okay. Are you lying? Cause wait, hold up. I just did it. Hmm. Okay. All right. All right. Okay, wait. I didn't want to toot my own horn or anything, but a video that I uploaded yesterday, like at my job and what I fixed and everything, um, it's doing pretty well. It was a short, so like it's not really gonna be monetizable or anything. But wait a minute. Where are we? Where are we? It's currently doesn't have my because I don't want to leak the channel, but because it's not really gonna like pertain to anybody uh here. But I'm currently at 800 shorts views, so yeah. Wait, let me catch up. But you can get around with that roles. On my server, I have a guard role that I can add. That's cool. That's cool. This is why I want to try to use Final Cut Pro, especially like on my iPad, because like I don't like how this video turned out. I feel like it could have been better because of like this right here is a video, but I had to like I couldn't I couldn't loop it, 1, and then 2, whenever I needed to, like, have something overlay, like, I couldn't make a transition for it to, like, transition down. I had to, like, make it, like, cut down, and I didn't like that. So, yeah. Yep, 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 yep. But what are you gonna tell me? That you got a new follower. How? How? Oh, the title? Dang it. Alright. Like, none of the content on there would, like, appeal to anybody that programs, but thank you? Um, old, greasy, rusty machines? Wait, is this? Okay, let's go here. Oh, don't do this. Please don't do this. I don't know how to fix it whenever it does this. Oh. Sometimes it won't snap back. Um, yeah, this is what it looks like, and that's not good. Facts. Facts. Yeah. Um, I'm actually just gonna ask AI to do all that because, like, I don't feel like doing all that right now. Um, okay. I don't know if any of the HTML needs to be changed around though. But well, it will be changed around. I don't think this is gonna be good. What does this look like again? Go here. Let's see. Okay, but still, like, oh, because there's really no reason for me to wear it on street because I don't wear glasses. Those aren't prescription glasses. Those are really one, I guess, like kind of eye protection, but two, because like I need both of my hands free to work, and I can't like hold a camera the whole time. Like that's why they're Ray Ban. They're the Ray Ban Metas, and it's just a convenience thing. I want some different kind. Actually, in the future, that may sound crazy, But I want to make my own glasses. I know that's like insane to say, but like because Ray-Bans are like designer glasses and like they're not really built for like the warehouse environment, like I want to make my own glasses that are like safety compliant, um, like ear protection and stuff like that. Like I want to make my own. Note input group. What is that? Uproot main. I'm not doing that. Does this have anything on it? Daily entry? Does this have a class on it? Class daily entry. Okay. There's padding in here. Wait, what? No. There's padding in here. I may remove this margin though. Daily entry. Oh. I'm just gonna remove the margin entirely. And also remove the padding entirely? What would that look like? Oh no. 8. I don't hate that. It's just that does this have a max width on it? Uh, please don't have a max width on this. Let me comment this out and see. What? Huh. This has a padding on it. Uh-uh. I don't hate KenSafe. I don't hate KenSafe. Form. Something about this is not right. I want to make it so that uh, uh I want to try this. No, that still didn't work. Fine. What can I do to make this not do that? Let me ask AI. What? It's not letting me talk to it. Currently on mobile screens, I can't get the daily entry or form to take up the entire width of the screen. How would I be able to do that? But removing the padding is not working. I did that and it's not working. Like, wait. Mm-mm. Is there something else somewhere that's stopping it from doing that? Can yeah, I'm trying to find it. Oh, to make the What is that? What? I don't think that's it. Huh? What is this overarching thing? This. This container right here. Whatever this is, I need to have a class on it. 100%. I don't know why I didn't have a class on it, but they died. I'm not gonna have padding there, but if I were, what? Please. Oh my goodness. Nothing is changing. This sucks. Hey, what's up, Black Cat? I'm trying to find it ever, but like it's a NG container thing, and I like that's not. Wait a minute. What's the hierarchy? Uh, main. Where is the CSS for main at? No, no. Uh, style. We may have found it. We found it. We found it as a team. Thank you. So, also, if I go back here, I don't hate this. I don't hate this on a mobile screen. And also, once I get smaller and smaller, at that point, I can start adding margin to it if I really wanted to, right? This can go back to here. This can be unchanged, right? Please be unchanged. Man, okay, fine. I just don't like to have that M on there when I haven't changed anything. But what did you learn today, Black Cat? What did you learn? Also, I'm not forgetting. I'm going to be linking. Uh, what is this called? This thing right here. I'm playing some Chet Baker right now. Ooh wee. I'm gonna be linking this playlist in the music play channel today. I think this is a good playlist as well. I think you might like it. Um, I just feel really full. Okay, wait. I'm gonna do something, and please don't judge me. But with me, I don't even think you need a Google AI subscription. But my friends love the first one I was streaming it. Hey, hey, I got you. I got you. See, okay. People say like they're very loyal to like Apple Music and Spotify. Now, I'm not um saying that Spotify is bad. Spotify may actually be no, it's not. Spotify is not bad though. Spotify is really good at making like a radio or like making a playlist. But YouTube Music, I'm trying to convert as many people as possible. YouTube Music has the best algorithm out of any streaming platform. I'm trying to tell you that okay, Spotify has the features. Spotify also has a crossfade. I wish other platforms had crossfade. That's my only thing. That's truly the only thing is crossfade. But um really? Apple Music has crossfade? I did not know that. When did they add that? Crossfade bleeds songs into each other. Like the end of a song will transition naturally into the beginning of another song. Oh, cool. Because it just helps everything flow better. To me, I like it. It just like it keeps the mood going. Nah, sometimes you don't want to hear that stuff. Me, I just want the mood to keep on going. Mm-mm. But to each their own. It would help me because my playlists are all so all over the place. Yeah. But like I was saying, YouTube music, I'm trying to convert people, but they just need to keep on adding features and not giving up on it and just like saying, here, just like here's a whole bunch of just songs, like have fun. No. Like actually take care of it, iterate upon it, which I'm learning with this app right here. But please don't judge me. I'm probably going to get more. I'm going to get more coffee, but I found this out with a Google the Google AI plan that I have. Um, I'm going to keep this on here. This is an ever growing. So they're going to keep on adding to this. Okay, Flow TV is an ever growing showcase of clips, channels, and content generated with Google's VEO generative model. So basically, this is like AI generated, like you know how like Spotify has the AI generated playlists or whatever. This is basically that, but like visually, and it's using Google's VO2, and it just has clips just running. So whenever I'm taking a break, I'm probably just gonna have this on the screen just to have like not a blank screen. I don't hate it. Some of these are like really trippy. They also have okay, in there's a whole bunch of stuff that they're working on, but like they aren't vocal as vocal as another company would be because it's Google, so like they just have so much stuff going on. But Google is this. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Um this stuff. Like for example, if I wanted to have like AI generated music, they have that already. And it's create sorry. Play? No. I guess it's under create. Uh this right here. Is this it? This. Um yes. Sign me in, please. So like this is all AI generated and like you can add a prompt and say like uh I don't know how to spell saxophone, but saxophone. Add it to here. I'm gonna just start from scratch. Okay, chat. Okay, I'm okay. I'm not stupid. Okay. Now, what? Okay, give me an instrument that would that just comes to your head. I'm gonna say drums. And what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Uh, sax, saxophone. Um, saxophone and guitar. So I can actually scale the intensity. Okay, wait. Uh, I did not spell Spanish wrong. This is fire. Okay. But okay. Wait, huh? Death metal? Wait, that's a genre. I need an instrument. Um, okay. So these sliders are like the intensity of what it's like, what is gonna be the most prevalent in the beat. So like if I up the drums, it's gonna be mainly drums. If I up the saxophone, it's gonna be mainly saxophone, like stuff like that. So I'm gonna do this and that too? Okay, fine. Do that. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. So hopefully you can hear what I'm playing. Let's do it. The more you add, like the murkier it's gonna get. But like, yes, you can add vocals to it, I think. But it's like not gonna say anything. Um, you can also edit the BPM, which key it's in, how chaotic it is, like how, much is going on, stuff like that. Well, I guess they took the voice thing away, but I think before you could have someone sing. You want me to remove? Wait, I'm gonna. It sounds like some like weird Indiana Jones movie, or like Jurassic Park or something. Yeah. But wait, let me mute this and see what's gonna happen. Hold up. Because it's like it's laying down. Okay, this isn't bad. This isn't bad. So like if I really wanted to, oh sorry, I don't know if it's overbearing. But if I really wanted to, like you hear it, like it's trying to like make good music. It had a little slap right there. It's trying to make good music. But like I can set it to auto. I'll set it to like what? 90? I can hold up. No, I can't do that. 60 is the slowest. Oh, I can eliminate the bass. Oh, sorry. I'll turn it back up. Sorry.
This isn't bad to me. It's that it doesn't know like where to go. Like it has no direction. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Oh yeah, when it's making like a transition, it'll just like freak out, but then it'll get back on track. I don't think that this is like even listening really to this. But the music itself isn't terrible. Yeah. But like the chaos and stuff, I think it actually got more chaotic. But I think like the auto of it was like trying to keep it at least somewhat tame. But this is not low chaos. Sounds like blues now. Yeah, auto keeps it dynamic. Let's see what it sounds like. I broke it. Yeah, I'm not doing this. I broke it. Oh, I think I know what it's doing. I think I know what it's doing. It's trying. The BPM is going off. It's not the drums. The BPM is going off of one of these guitars. Both of them. Let me change everything back to auto. It needs a metronome. That's what it really needs to make sure that it's like on beat or following like a BPM. It needs a metronome. Because even with like having a set BPM, yeah. Yeah. Because especially like freeform jazz, especially like what this is doing, like turn off chaos. I don't think I can turn chaos off. I can set it to auto, but I can't turn it off. Low chaos and low density. Like on sheet music, they literally, yeah. It's too much drums. Yeah, it's too weird to be good to me. I just did the drums up one tick, but I don't hear any drums. I don't know what this would be. What is this instrument? Hold up. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm gonna have this playing in the background, but I'm gonna be getting coffee, and this in the foreground. Hold up. I'll be right back. Have fun. Give me like 5. All right, I'm not back. I'm just checking it on the stream. adding creamer now. I'll be right back. Hold up. Me, I think I'm. This isn't the beta. Okay, I'm back. But I'll share the link to this if anybody wants to use it, try it out. Also this too. Oh, my bad. Also this too. But ow. System settings. Software update. I don't have the betas on, but let me turn this back down or off actually. I'm up to date. This is checking for too long, but I'm up to date. Let's do this. Let's try to lock in, do some things. Okay. So what I need to do here is styles. Actually, let's add 8. No. 16. Let's do 16. Let's do 16. And then that's really my main thing. It formatted this where it needed to be, but yeah, I'm up to date. But was there anything else I wanted to do CSS wise? Oh, that's another thing. I don't know if I want to do add the image and video thing first or which one. Let's just go ahead and let's go ahead and because all of these are pertaining to use like Firestore stuff. Why is this not uh Oh, it got fixed. Oh, for some reason, like the SSL here, it just kept on giving errors. After I had got off of work, it just kept on giving errors, and I didn't know what was going on. Now it's finally fixed. Why are you having trouble loading this? I'm scared now. Why can't I see my data? Hello? Is Google Cloud down again? Oh no. I'm scared. I mean, I'm able to like retrieve it. It's just I can't see it. Fine. Uh so what I want to do is I know created by, and that's a string. So this is gonna be created by, please load. Or maybe I need to refresh the page. Aha! Thank you, Sundar. I didn't doubt you, not one bit. Um, so in here, if I'm doing this, wait a minute. Add doc. Where's add doc used? Add doc is used right here. So at some point, I need to get the user's ID. Uh, it's gonna return this. So sign in this auth user. Am I getting auth in here? No, actually. Okay, so where am I using the auth at? In here? No. What? Uh, to how you show the user's email in the header. But I'm never, wait a second. Where's the nav bar at? Right here. TypeScript. So use this inject in here. Huh? Yes. Private. What did I call that? Auth service inject the auth. Can you please? Can you? Can you? Thank you. So from here, have this being observable, or on the add doc, have a created by. What is this? It doesn't exist. Man, get out my face. Oh, wait. If that does exist, okay. If this does exist, what? I need to make a variable. I think. I believe. Where user dollar sign is that. Now, I just need to get, what is this? What? What are you talking? Okay. User dot. How did I get that?
How did I get that? Wait a minute. Where's the HTML at? So same way I did that user dot. Oh, what? If the user async as user. So this is asynchronous. Oh. Oh. Well, this is already asynchronous anyways. So user dot. What is this called again? It's too loud. User dot. Where's all the service? No. User. All right, fine. Credential UID. Fine. I think it's UID, not ID. Or it may be auth ID or something. Wait. Where's localhost at? So, here. Console. Please. Man. Sign out. It's UID. It's UID. Okay. So here, I'm just going to have this go back to where you were. UID. Why are you not? Yes, it does. It exists. Actually, wait. That isn't working? Okay. No. Import you. No. Man, all I want to do is just do this. So I can. How would it. Would I use a pipe? AI. Okay, UID. Also, this should never be null. Well, it also has a guard on it. So, if that's the case, can I just do this? Please? Subscribe? What's the difference? What? What do you mean? Okay. Also, else, if it's that, let's try something. Please. Please. Thank you. You can't access the credential. No, because it's kind of abstract, not abstracted away. Um, this is the credential, but it's just the credential.user. This is it. So I don't even know if I use the right word, but yeah, that's it. This right here, or this right here. Um, so let's try something. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna look here. Let me add something. Browser and error. Update doc. What? Unsupported field? Oh, please don't do this. Huh? Created by. Update doc. What is wrong with what I did? 211. Called with invalid data. Huh. Huh. So I hate to do it. I need guidance as to why. Oh, this is the error that I'm getting right now. I might as well close this out. This is the error that I'm getting right here. And I don't know what this means right here. That I don't know what I'm doing. That you don't try and log. Let's do it. Actually, I need this. I need this. So instead of doing that, CLG that, right? Okay. So let me go right here and then what the heck is this? What? Oh no. This is disgusting. Okay. What if I need to delete that though. I'm just getting the user. Okay, so this is just giving me a subscriber something. Uh dot uns what? Ooh. Now I can't there is something wrong here. Huh? With this new what is this? I can no longer drag this anymore and ban. Hello? What? Fine. Actually, I kind of have no idea why I'm calling subscribe because it's the only thing that's giving me a you are trying to get a value from an observable. The method doesn't return the value itself, but a subscription object. Here on submit. Huh? Import it. Remove the unused and incorrect import from domain. All good, all good. I may not use this. In on submit, I now await the user object. First value from. Where is that used at, though? Okay. So if. This auth service. Actually, wait. Let me stop doing all that. What's the cleanest way to do this? I think I want to do that. What I do want to do is that. How would I? How would I get the UID from? Let's do that. Because I've never done this before, so I need to see what exactly this is doing. You can use the map operator to transform the user. This will create a new observable that emits it as a string. Is that the same map? It's not the same map. Hold up. Subscription and map. I'm not familiar with these things. Subscription represents a disposable resource such as the execution of an observable. Unsubscribe that takes no argument and just disposes the resource held. Maybe grouped together through the add method. Okay. Is that not messy? This seems messy. Something about this looks dirty. Or just like not optimal. And I don't like it. A modern and declarative way to handle this in Angular by leveraging operators and avoiding manual subscriptions instead of subscribing in ng on init and unsubscribing with that. You can use first value from to get the current user value as a promise when you need it. It eliminates the need for that. It simplifies the components. So back at square one. Let's take this. Mm. Hmm? Oh, I already have that. Okay. Switch to a real time. If that. Existing code. What changed? Hmm? Okay, here's where we are. Hey, what's up, Johnny? So in here, make this a const. Um, I just want to see what it says. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now I'm able to actually do something with this. Uh, now that I have this, try that. And then I don't need it there. Where I need it is. Oh yeah, sure. But I'm a wee bit um busy right now, so I wouldn't personally have the time to look at it right now. But once I find like a break, I'll look at it. Actually, instead of in the chat, post it in the Discord, so it'll like stay, and I'll look at it whenever I have a little bit of downtime. But this coffee is kicking in right now, and I have a productivity sprint spurt. So yeah. Um, update doc. Let's actually just do that. Let's do that. I'm down for that. What time is it? Okay. Uh-huh. Now in here. Cool. We have action. Yes. Yes, I did. I'm actually gonna delete that now that that's in there. But now, okay, so basically, I've never seen this before, but there's a val or an import from RxJS, which I'm not really familiar with. I need to get familiarized with it first. But there's something in RxJS called first value from. And what it was trying to give me before was a little bit complicated and I think outdated. And I asked it, like, is there a cleaner way to do this? And it says, yes, there is a more modern and declarative way to handle this in Angular by leveraging RxJS instead of using like the ONG and then on ng on destroy. So it's called first value from. Never seen it before, but it eliminates the need for manual subscription management, stuff like that. And it simplifies the components life cycle hooks. And basically, I import this, and it's up here somewhere. It's const. I just make a variable const user, basically, and a like an async await kind of thing. I'll call that use this
observable, and then now I can just use the UID right here. Simple and plain. This is a little bit closer to React. While I was making a sandwich, I was thinking to tell you to ask your AI before inserting the note into Firebase. Oh yeah, I already did it. I already did it, but I eliminated it from my code already. I did it. I had it in my console already. But thank you. Thank you. The AI gave me like the old version of Angular, the old way of doing things in Angular, and the new version. I think I'm gonna stick with the new version. This is a whole lot cleaner and easier. Oh, another thing that I did not mistakenly, but that I don't think that I don't think people do like regularly. People just like get the me, I'm people. They get the response from like Copilot and just paste it in, and once it works, and they move on to the next thing. At the end of when I'm like about to push changes to Git, what I'm about to start doing, and I did it yesterday, I asked Copilot, okay, whatever you did, is there any way to optimize the code that you gave me? It's a very simple question, but I've never done it before, and it actually did, and it eliminated like 30 lines of code, and it told me why and how and everything, and I was like, oh, that's cool. I think because Angular is just like so old, and the data set isn't as big as like all the React repositories that GitHub has, it just defaults to a older one. But if you don't prompt it to like update it or optimize it for you, it won't do it. And I never thought about that. But yesterday it kind of clicked for me. So yeah. Now that I have that, I can eliminate that from the docket. So now whatever X is. Start your prompt. Oh yeah, people have like whole like instructions for like prompts and everything. I'm not there yet. I just ask like basic questions. I'm using it all wrong. X is 20 right now. Which line? Okay, this is more pertaining to the input of this. So, oh, this is gonna be kind of weird. So there's that. Okay, I can eliminate those. Let me think about how I'm gonna do this. When it says remove, where is this? Today's notes list. Then it gives the timestamp. Cool, cool, cool. I need to get here. So I need ooh, this is gonna suck. It's not allowing me to talk. I would like to add an input field or a drop down actually. Okay, stop. No, 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 no. I really like to
like use this. Okay, hold on. I would like to add a drop down to the form where new notes are being added to the notes list, where I can define which thermoforming line I'm talking about. I have F3, F4, F1, and F2. And I'd also like the ability to not specify. This sucks. This isn't working. I'd like to add a drop down menu where I can select which line I'm talking about when I am adding a new note to the Firestore document. I'd like the ability to also not specify which line a line at all if I'm talking about something that's more general purpose in my daily entry. Hmm, let's see what that does. I'm not good at typing. And if I'm typing, I'm gonna keep on like deleting and like trying to perfect what I'm saying. I'd rather just talk and just see what happens. This CDR. I'm forgetting what this CDR is doing. Oh, of course, to add a drop down for selecting a line. For each note, you'll need to update both your TypeScript file, update the note interface, define the available lines as a class. Huh? Oh, please don't do this to me. I don't want to do any on destroy stuff. I'm still doing on destroy stuff. Where am I using on destroy stuff? Oh, I'll allow it. Um, at the top of each note, huh? Add to your to-do list at the top of each note at the user who created the note. You mean, oops, this CSS got messed up. Username. Hmm? I'm confused. Uh-huh. Hold up. Wait, hold up. Something just happened. What? I do, but I'm looking at this. Oh, whoops. So wait. Did I not do that? That'd just be Martop, basically. Fine. Huh? Wait a minute. Oh, now that it's down here. Uh, I can get down with that. Let's do 54. All right. I can get down with that. Okay, so now uh what? What is this? Oh no. What? I'll just say creative. Hmm. Is that it? There's some way to do this. That I the thing is, I don't have that much space to play with. And right now, ugh, there isn't like a sharing feature, so it may kind of be redundant. How do I do it here? In the future, yes, but right now, that's kind of. Hold up. Let me know how liquid glass looks. Wait, huh? Created by please user. What? How am I gonna do this? I now I'm preoccupied with this. Hold up. Would I get the HTML? I'm mostly interested for the Linux containers and my personal projects. My personal project is for Mac OS, so I don't. True, 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 true. It's the name, but I don't know. Hold up. It's display name. Whoops. Huh? Uh, String equals. Oh, what is this again? Uh, oh, oh, I did console log it. You want to take it? You wait. You want to take the username from the Firebase based on the ID? Did the mic pick that up? So how would I do this? Oh wait. Oh, huh. Hold up. Or nothing. No, I want to see something. Do I have a display name? What? Okay. Why does it keep on trying to do that to me? I don't want to template literal. No. What? Oh, that. So I can't console log something? Wait, what? That's the weirdest thing. Okay. Hold up. Sorry. Oh, it's observable. Hold up. Uh, easy. What? Oh. Huh? Wow, I don't have a display name. This sucks. So I'm truly working with nothing. I don't have a name. So there's really no guarantee. And you would really have to like set that up manually. And people, well, I'm gonna have to do it anyways. I may have to redo my onboarding. It can't just be sign in with email and password. I would, one, phone number, and then two, first name, last name, and then maybe like a I don't know. Like
Employee ID? I don't I don't know. Nickname too, yeah. Yeah. Huh. But their name? Hold up, wait. Wait. I've gotten completely off track. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up, wait a minute. What was I doing again? Oh, okay. Wait a minute. You're fine. You're fine. Wow. What? That's it that's changing? Oh, that is not it that is changing. Oh. Um, let's see what this looks like. Optional. Let's not say general. Actually, let's say general. Um, there we go. Thank you, Copilot. Okay. F1. Uh, and then also, where else is this being used at? So, all right, cool. Note dot line, note dot text. What? Add note line default to empty string for general. Huh? Wait a minute. That code looks weird. If I just do that, what does that do? Huh? I can't do it right there. Hold up. 229. Oh. Oh. Hmm. Sting. I don't like just putting type any because then what's the point of using TypeScript? I want it to be a string. I'm putting type any. Ah. uh
So what's the problem? Called an invalid data? Interesting. Also, yes, it's optional. This shouldn't be optional, actually. Um, but that shouldn't affect anything. If I'm reading it, though, that is optional. Notes. New notes. Yeah. Uh, Something's off. That looks weird. I know that none of the other notes have that, but ooh, that's another thing that I needed to do. Ew. Uh, that's because you're getting that error because fire. People that build these, people that build these, because you need the stuff that goes right here. We make the stuff that goes right here. But if you're building any one of these, those are the customers. Ow. The only thing. Well, in my department, the only thing. But the company does other things. Yes. Yeah. It's specialized. It's plastic. It's plastic it's plastics manufacturing. But the plastic is actually this right here. So it's for getting a big surface area for what is Reddit doing for this? I'm doing this.
What is this subreddit? No, no, no. No. Whatever. I quite literally make this. This. Yes. Is this. This is this. Yes. So water flows naturally or in a specific way. And that's why each one of these has a special like pattern, profile or whatever. Yes. Each one of these has a special profile. And the profile, like the pattern here, is different from the pattern here. And that's for a reason because the water has to flow a certain way for it to be optimal. I hope I'm saying that right. But yeah. Yeah. So, like just imagine like different like a different algorithm. Like data structures and algorithms, like there's different type of cooling towers, different type of like data structures, but the algorithms. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Now, this doesn't make sense though. You're getting that error because Firestore does not accept undefined as a, you are correctly setting the line property on your note. If it's not selected, but you are not filtering out these before passing. Am I not? What is this doing? I don't think that I explained it as well as I could have, but thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Okay. The filter. This is trash. All this needs to be string. I would like it to be string because general is a string, F1 is a string. All that stuff is a string, so I would like it to be a string. Man, hold up. So if I have this as type any, what changed? Oh. I'm going to revert it back to what it had it at. There. Oh. I'm not sure. Do they come? I believe so. And that we make a mold based off of the profile that the CAD file has. And then we go like, and then we just manufacture it. We're going through a lot of prototype molds right now, is a thing. So like we have potential customers that are sending us stuff and we're making mold cavities that reflect what the customer wants. Each one of the molds are um customer specific. True. True. But how I want to approach it is like truly just like at my level and then work my way up from there as far as like understanding the whole process. Huh? You're gonna achieve this by conditionally spreading the line property. Oh, don't start putting out comments and everything. Oh my gosh. This is just gonna keep on doing this. Hold up. What? What is this? New notes. Let's, huh? Better learn how to do stuff where you know. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully this doesn't break anything. All right, now I'm not getting a pick some. Hello. Thank you. Yes, but if I go from here, hello? If I go here, F1. Okay. Now, if I go here and then go back to general, what happens? Oh, cool. I didn't catch that. Store what? Why? No, 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 no. No. Oh, no. No, 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 no. That's not what I wanted. Oh, no. Thank you. Created by. The note isn't gonna do that. Okay. No. The line. I mean, let me see if I understand you properly. You like that? Oh, you can't see it. Uh, that that you can see that? Oh yeah, you can. Like that? So now because okay, the daily entry is going to be like user specific. But what could happen is like I could now make a document based off of what that line went through in a day and just search each daily entry for this line right here. And then just have the text like this map be added to like an F1 June 28th document. Yeah. And just like repurpose the data that everyone is contributing to. Because like the data is the data. All you have to do is just like summarize, like not summarize it, but just like collect it in another place. Repackage it. I think this is it. I think that's it. Um yeah. I think so. My notes page. That's what I want to do. That's what I want to do. I'm just not there yet. Cuz like I'll sometime next week I'll do it to have like a first a my notes page and then an all notes page because an all notes page would be like the team like team wide. But a my notes page would be like user specific so that they can see like what their past daily entries were. But because it's just me, I can just look in the database and be like, this is what it is. Now for the final. This is not the final step. I'll be right back. Hold up. Hold up. I'm going to finish these two, hopefully, this stream. I'm going to have to set up Firebase storage for this. Do I have this set up? No, I do not. Disgusting. I'm going to have to set up Firebase storage for this. I'm going to have to do the entire CRUD life cycle for images and videos. And then, ooh, I may not be able to do the recipe. I may not be able to do the recipe today because the recipe is something completely different that I have to like think about a little bit more because that's not just a daily entry thing. That would fall under like having a document for what F1 went through that day. As far as like productivity, the scrap that was made, the heat zones, the settings. Oh, it is. It's not just it's not just a file. Like images. And then oh yeah, I don't care about size. Like oh, you're talking about like compressing stuff. Oh. Oh. Is that complicated? Wait, I'll be right back. Uh, I'll be right back. Hold up. Wait a minute. I'll have something. Uh, hold up. Here's Santa. Hello, Draken. I'll be right back. Give me like a minute. Um, wait, hold up. I have to greet you properly. Hold up, my bad. Hold up. I'm right here for the time being. Hello, welcome to the stream. Uh, how are you doing? And while I'm gone, I need you to answer one question. One question for me. Um, how experienced are you in programming? And what's your tech stack? And what do you do? Yeah, tell me about yourself. Wait, do you have Portuguese there? Oh, oh. Um, I can speak a little bit of Spanish, but not anything to like. Um, I don't know if I would survive if I was like dropped into like a Latin country. I don't know if I could. Plus, I look Dominican, so I don't look Dominican. Uh, but hold up, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Hold up, give me a second. What the heck? I came back and I saw a gorilla. Wait, was that gorilla fighting? Hold up. Hold up. Never mind. Never mind. I was like, is that the gorilla fighting 100 men? Never mind. Oh, that's cool. It's okay. It's okay. Um, how can I what what can I say? Yo no sé qué digo. ¿Eh? Hmm? For context, um, todos mis personas en mi trabajo solo hablar español. Así yo necesito aprender o yo no entiende nada. Pero solo 1 año En mi trabajo, así mi español es no perfecto. Everyone says that. My Spanish is not good. Like, it takes me a while to figure out what to say, and I still say it wrong. Hold up. What? No, hold up. Let me turn this music off. Hold up. Before I get back to work. Because really, I'm only really gonna do this, and then I'm probably gonna call the stream. Um, ¿Sobre qué? Es importa que hablamos. Porque comida, sí, pero otras cosas, no puedo. Oh yeah, ever. For context also, um I live in Texas. So basically like you kind of have to know Spanish. Texas is basically Mexico. It's actually Mexico. It's just like America was America at one point and like the Alamo and stuff like that. But basically I live in Mexico. How you conjugate verbs? ¿Qué tú quieres say? Huh? ¿Qué se quiere? That's not how that's. What? Borrowed. That's like saying, "Hey, can I borrow a fry?" Borrowed. Yeah, thank you. Borrowed. Wait. 15. 15. Yes, I noticed the gorilla. That's what made me lock in the gorilla. And he was getting in the way. Yes, there was a gorilla. You didn't see the gorilla? No, there wasn't a clown. There was not a clown. There was not a clown. Is he a clown? There wasn't a clown. Is he a clown? There was there was no way there was a clown. I promise you there wasn't a clown. Dog, all right. Yes. None of them dribbled. Well, none of them dribbled. There was never a clown. See, so I passed it, right? There was a gorilla. So I guess I'm not old. This is a good feeling. I guess I'm not old. Oh. How am I going to go about this though? I'm surprised that wait, Draken, what compelled you wait. Es mi cara? ¿Por qué estás en esto video? I don't know how to say stream in Spanish. Like, what made you click this stream? I think I bored him to death. I think the clown got him. um. Okay, last thing. Uh, in Espanol? Um. ¿Qué es interesante sobre mí? ¿Por qué estás en mi video? Porque yes. I mean, technically, yes. In the top left corner, technically he is. You know what's crazy? Um, it's actually insane. Um, you know that game that me and Pixel were talking about? It's like mainly a French game, but also Spanish speakers play it as well. Like there's a larger Spanish speaking player base than English speaking. Um, and I've been in that Twitch category a lot more, and like not that I'm picking up on it, but I'm kind of understanding some things just based off of just like mannerisms. In case you didn't see I'm a sysadmin, and now I'm getting into programming. And oh, gracias, gracias. No estoy inteligente. Uh, no estoy bien a computadoras. Well, I am. Estoy. But puedo mejor. Puedo estar mejor. Mucho mejor. So, let's see. Because your head is half chopped off. Who got a D in Spanish? Oh, the only way I know Spanish is giving out D's. Hey yo, hey, I'll be here all week. That's how I learned Spanish, giving out D's. Now, um, so I don't know how I'm gonna go about this exactly. Uh, should I hold up? Oh, wait a minute. It's not gonna let me talk. No, not the nav bar. It's not gonna let me talk. It's doing this thing again. I'd like to add the option to add multiple images to a note. I'd like the whole CRUD life cycle to be implemented with Firebase storage. It's more like a chat between computer. but It's more like a chat between computer people than talking about. Oh, okay, okay. Because I don't know how to translate what is going on in programming. That would be too difficult for me. Um, the ID. uh, how about wait, what do you think about Spanish? No, I was actually thinking about that whenever I was coming back from the bathroom. Spanish is like very, 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 very simple compared to English. It's just a matter of being around it and retaining like the syntax of how Spanish is spoken because it also depends on what country the Spanish speakers that you learn Spanish from are from. Like, for example, here in Texas, we're very close to Mexico. Like, it's basically Mexico. But I work with people that aren't from Mexico, they're from Honduras. And they speak a different type of Spanish than people from Mexico. So it's the same language, but different. That's like saying someone from like Texas doesn't speak the same as someone from New York. It's a different type of English. But because I know English, I can make a distinction between someone from oh yeah, British people don't actually speak English. Um that's a facade and they're faking. They speak just like us. But uh um oh, wait. In GitHub Copilot Chat GBT pre. You can use Chat GBT in here? Copilot. Copilot es mejor. Well, para programming, Copilot. Pero otras cosas, Chat GPT. Is that not, hold up, is that not how you say for programming? Uh, same thing. Same thing. Whenever you want, we can make a call and take and talk both languages. Yeah, that would be cool. And see if I can like understand what you're saying. But the problem is, because Americans do the same thing to other countries and other languages. Americans may think that they're speaking Spanish or speaking English slowly, but they aren't really slowing down. They're just like making other people feel stupid. And I feel like other countries are kind of guilty of that as well, but they don't know it. They don't know it either. Because like I'll say like muy lento or despacio, and it's the same speed. Like the thing is, I can speak Spanish better than I can understand it. And normally people like understand Spanish a lot better that they can speak it. I can speak Spanish better than I can understand it. So like if someone is talking to me, I can't understand anything that they're saying. But I can talk to them. But if they try to like talk to me, yeah. Yeah, that's not happening. But I don't understand how people can like understand Spanish but not speak it. Doesn't make sense. Like at all. What about wait, what about the phonics was huh? I thought he said "I'ma." I was like, hold up, you know English? If you're willing to say "I'ma," oh yeah, you know English. But I'ma learn Python as a recreational activity, and because I saw, oh yeah. Yeah. That's not a bad choice. That's not a bad choice. Python es fácil. Para tu primera lengua, Python es fácil. Y en este año es el mejor lengua para tu primera lengua. Sí. Oh, you were saying jalapeno and oh, you were just being stubborn. Oh, okay. Okay. You were making America look bad. Oh my gosh. Perfectly. Huh? Latin is harder. What? So so you were speaking lorem ipsum, but not Espanol? All right. Yeah, it's not it's kind of not that far off. Oh wait. I completely forgot about this. I can kind of vibe code my way through this. Yeah, that was all my fingers. Um so this is allowing me to do all of that. Okay. Okay. Also, I need to be able to display it. Uh, yeah, I need to be able to display it. Okay. Let's see what this does. Copilot for sure if it's just programming, but for general, yeah, that's what. Yeah, yeah. That's actually kind of like a steal because I program a lot more than I use like chat bots and stuff. Like a lot more. I'm still old. I use Google for anything, and Google already has AI overviews if I ever need anything, which is kind of why I'm kind of regretting getting this Google AI Pro plan because I don't really use it. Like I want to use Gemini or ChatGPT, but I don't really use it. I want to get to a point to where like all the stuff that I wanted. What? Thank you. Oh, what is this called though? Oh no. What is it uploading to? Notes? No. I need this to be uploaded to. Uh, what? Wait. Probably my bit. Hello? Am I live? What just happened? Did Twitch get rid of the ability to like refresh the player? Because I don't see that. Oh, now I see it. The little like double thing. Oh, that was just me being confused. Yeah. AI Studio is really where it's at. Because you get like the latest models, stuff that hasn't been like released yet. Like they'll like shadow drop stuff on AI Studio. Like that's where it's at. But you also have to do a lot more configuring. I guess I'll put it in the notes. Yeah, I'm about to finish this and then get off myself. I don't blame you. But thank you for watching. Thank you for being you. And I don't know. It depends on how tomorrow goes and like how like what problems I face with using this tomorrow. Um I think it's Buenas noches, but I may be live tomorrow. I don't know. It's really Buenos nightes. It's really up to my impression of how this pans out. But I think I'm good now. Should be. Hello, please work. Man, what do you mean there's no provider? Oh, okay. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. It's in my uh where am I importing all my Firebase stuff at? It's in there. No. Hold up. Firestore. No. This is kind of confusing. Is it configs? Yes. Man, just do it. What? Get Firestore. What do you mean? Or get storage. What? Like, what's the problem? Oh, why are you doing all that? Thank you. Perfect. Um,
Is it possible to? Oh, I can only do one at a time. Fine. Oh no, the rules, those dreaded rules. True. I'm just put it as true for now. Yeah. Okay. Um. Yes. I can also do that if I want to. Um. One question though, like because I have no files in here right now. Uh. Next update that. I want to do that. I want to be able to do that. Oh, it took up that much space. But after the update, you'll be able to like move it back, right? Oh. Do you invest in cloud storage? Or you're not a cloud storage person? Man, I love the cloud. I love it. There are no changes to be made. What do you mean? Wait, huh? But I can't do it. Uh, and let's do that. Is that a thing? Okay, no. Oh. Huh? But oh, that sucks. Mainly because I have a 4 terabyte external I always have with me. I was about to say, it's 2025, so like externals aren't really all that big. I was about to say, I need to get an external, but it's the cloud. Like it's just so convenient. Like I don't, hold up. There's nothing to fear. Jeff Bezos is here to take all your money. I get why, because like in the long run, it's just so expensive, so much more expensive than it would be, and you have more control over what you have. Yeah, you have more control over like what you're storing. If you do it the old way, it's just the price that you pay for cloud is really a convenience fee. That's really what it is. Mhm. Mm. Right. Huh. Why did that not get saved? Why is that not getting saved? What? Okay, wait. Google's is cheap. I technically have. I think I wonder if they have a desktop app for the Drive. Check. Wait. I have it. I have it. I have it. I have it. It came in. I have it. I have Gemini and Chrome now. This is what I really wanted. Oh, yeah. I won't be using this. I might as well cancel this right now. I won't be using this. Because I don't surf the web like that. I truly just use my IDE. I mean, I'm on the free trial anyways. Yes, they do. They do have it. Oh, they have Gemini in the Drive too. Cool. But yeah, you can download Google Drive at the as a desktop app. I mean, I think it might just be like a web page that you download though. I mean, if you really don't use your browser, then yeah, I use my browser, but I use my browser to code. So truly, my most important like subscription is Copilot. Like, or if any, because I can't use Gemini like to replace my IDE, can I? That's not gonna work. How did my SSL go back out? What? Yeah, so I I'll use the free month to see if I'm still with it, if I still like it. But I'm not really.
banking on it. I don't see it happening. What is this? What it? Huh? Why is this not? Okay, wait. No, no. Image previews for new node. Image previews, right? This is a completely different thing. Oh, is possibly undefined. That didn't like that. No, no. Oh, why is that bad? Oh, whoops. So let me go down here. That that didn't fix anything. Man, that didn't fix anything. Huh? Wait a minute. If I try to what? It's not doing an image preview. Uh, what's up, Johnny? This made it worse.
Oops. I can still upload multiple files, right? What? What happened? Oh, wait. Let's actually see what it's doing in here. Nothing yet. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Well, I think that's kind of it. Unless I wanted to add a video, which I'm not really all that pressed about. Yeah, I'm not really all that pressed about it right now. Um, this is something more important, and that's what it says when it's been deleted. Maybe their servers are down. Let's just have faith, please. That sucks. Maybe that sucks. But you have other projects still in your dashboard? Have you checked your spam? Okay, what all have I done? Well, is it at the hour where it would be, well, trash? That's okay. The same reason or the same way, Black Cat, that you were talking about, like not using
Dang. The same way that you were talking about not using the cloud, it's the same way that I don't want to use Vercel. I don't trust Vercel at all. And I don't want to like toot my own horn, but um like I have like a special ability to see like what's cool and what's not. Let me explain. Like if like a lot of people or if anybody, people will like what they like. Cool. But I can tell like I have incredible taste. So like I I I'm able to tell you if something has lasting power or not. That makes it not able to like delete things. I'm not sure with like what you mean by marking it as safe. Oh, okay. Yeah, I just don't trust them. People may like them or whatever, and Next.js is the future, whatever. Yeah, that would cost way too much. Well, props to them. But still, I'm not using any of their services because they're trying to monetize like the web development like ecosystem, and that's not cool. That's not no. A framework should not be a paid service. No, I'm not saying that as like the authoritator like of the web development ecosystem, but like something about that does not sit right with me. Uh-uh. Unless you're like a cloud provider, but they're basically bumming off of AWS. So they're not really like a true cloud provider. They're just like a middleman for no reason. And that's how, thank you. That right there, that is why I don't like them at all. It wasn't genuine how they got into like prominence. N- some some smells fishy about that. And it's been fishy for a long time. And that's why I'm not using any Next.js products. Like I tried Next.js or Vercel products. I tried Next.js, but I'm not using it for anything like serious. Uh, let's try this. Is this real? I think it's real. Okay. Yeah. Build. Oh, that's just soul crushing. What the heck? Uh, I'll say this. Let's just use this as like a reminder to never use Vercel again. I've never used Vercel for like to save things I actually care about. Don't use Vercel again. Please don't. Oh, let's do that. Yeah. And now let's push all these changes. And I think we're done. But I'm sorry to hear that for real. That sucks. Yeah, this is why Git is important. This is why Git is important.
it can expire like that? Oh yeah, he's not lying. What does this say? What's the code again? 404. Hmm. 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 Man. If I ever have to get into like a situation where I have to contact support, I'm 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 done using the product. Yeah, try that. Thank okay. Thankfully. Thankfully. But also, um, explore Git. Come on, okay. Git at least is equivalent to as far as like safety to an external drive. And Git isn't like let's make it good. Well, well. But Git is as, about as secure or as good as an external drive. So, man, it should work now. Can you check the domain? Yes. Oh, cool. We're back. We're back. Awesome. Hey. Ooh, I like this color. Huh. meanwhile, meanwhile, my my this my URL looks like this right now. So that sucks. I may have to like force redeploy everything on Squarespace because Google Domains got bought out by Squarespace or whatever. So I may have to force do that because at one point it had came back, but after work today, it's been looking like this for the most part, and it's a certificate or SSL thing. So yeah. Oh, congratulations! You're a better programmer than me. But oh, I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna get off. I don't know if I'm programming tomorrow. I really don't know. I may take it easy. But thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the Discord. Or I'll see you next stream. Maybe. So facts. Thank you for reminding me. Thank you. I'll do it after I get off. But peace. Balloons. Balloons. But thank you.